Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We have so much to do today. So as you can see that hot mess that I have right there, actually I'm going to decorate my room for Halloween. But I need to put these, I just finished actually filming my fall haul for my daughter. So I need to put these two in the washing machine and then we could go and clean this room. It's a hot mess and I hope I can get it done today because I really wanted to do the kitchen too, but it's already 12 and I don't think I'm going to be able to do that. So let's get going, guys. I normally actually do, if you guys remember last year, a huge kind of display, but I don't think I'm going to do that this year because I kind of want to decorate lightly for Halloween, and I think I'm going to go kind of, sorry if you came mom, more all out for Christmas because I do want it to be more Grinchy in my room for Christmas. So I think I'm just going to do little bits of Nightmare Before Christmas and then of course a little bit of a Hocus Pocus display because obviously Hocus Pocus. Think that's going to be the plan. I don't think I'm going to go over and beyond this year, so yeah. So I actually decided to do a lot of spider webs to kind of give that spooky feeling since I'm not going to go all out this year. I was going to put this little string thing there and then I changed my mind and put it on the other side by the mirror, which I never decorate. So I was like, this time let's go ahead and decorate. And I risked my whole life standing on that table. So I'm not fully done because I'm actually missing my big sculptures from Hocus Pocus, but I just did kind of like a little Hocus Pocus little display there, this whole side, and then here, and then I just kind of put the spider webs everywhere. The ghost I'm not really loving, but we'll see. That guy, I was getting water, but little more Hocus Pocus right there, and then up there. I really want to put these girls up there that my aunt made, but I can't find my double-sided tape and I don't want to hook these and mess them up, so yeah, that's it that I did so far today. I still ended up having time, so I went ahead and did my Halloween decor for my kitchen and refilled some things that obviously needed to be refilled. Priorities, Bryce, and cleaned up my chairs. So here I am just cleaning up and basically lightly decorating in my way for Halloween/fall. And honestly, guys, most of my fall decor is either from a Dollar Tree, Home Goods, TJ Maxx, something like that, or Goodwill / the Army thrift store. That's just honestly where you can get a lot of good stuff. Okay, so again, just kind of showing you this overview. It's getting a little darker outside. I didn't show you guys earlier, but I got that rug actually at Ross. Yes, at Ross. So cute. But yeah, down there. Just to kind of show you a little bit better since it's getting a little bit later at night. No, I gotta throw away my coffee pots. I just noticed that. Yeah. And then they look so good. Oh my god, I love it. I love it. I don't add anything on there because of the window, obviously. Right now, let's just quickly walk over to my kitchen. Ignore the bins. And the trash, obviously. But yeah, I did make a little pumpkin right there. My daughter calls it a little pumpkin patch. I made some muffins. Some pumpkin and banana muffins. They're chocolate chip and cream and cheese. Then those cute rugs I showed you guys in another video that I got on Amazon. I showed you guys I got this at Ross. And then those guys are from last year. They were in my room, but this year I put them here since They are Hocus Pocus themed. That is from Dollar Tree from, I think, last year or 2 years ago. Pumpkins. My charger's there. Don't know why, but it is, so just leave it there. But I didn't show you guys that I actually changed this. It was a regular pot. And then I also, that was the pot that it was in. But yeah, that is what I changed. Nothing crazy. I did get this new cup that I did a reel on already. But you guys can see nice little pumpkin vibes over here. Nothing too crazy this year. Guys, if I gotta show you guys on my toddler's little decoration that I did for her as well. Kitchen. And some more up here as well. Love how it looks now when it's like night almost. And you guys can see a little glare. Sorry, that's the camera. Alright guys, I'm going to call it a video. I'm going to go ahead and take a last shower now. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Leave this emoji if you are still here. Please don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.